Hello friends, this is Vivek Bajaj, co-founder of Stockedge. Friends, in this video, I'm going to talk to you about how to learn stock market. Stock market is an abyss. It's such a huge, diversified field. And on top of that, everyone has a single objective in stock market, that is to make money. And there's a huge diversity of people with different skill set who are involved in stock market. So there are high-end intellectuals, people who have passed from IIT, they are involved in stock market, and then there are retail investors who have other businesses. They are also involved in stock market, and ultimately everyone is there in the stock market to make money from stock market. The most important thing, if you really want to succeed in stock market, the first most critical thing is that you should learn stock markets, because this is such a subject matter, this is such an important skill set that until unless you spend considerable time on learning and grasping everything around the concept, you will not be fully equipped, and the chances of making money is very, very limited. No matter how much gyan you are receiving from various interested parties, be it your brokers, be it media personalities, be it your friends and families, it's actually very difficult to make money from stock market until unless you develop a constructive thought process around it, and that can only happen if you learn it properly. Now, what we have done in Stockedge as a tool is not just provide you necessary data analytics, but also equip you with right learning, and that too free of cost, so that you become independent in understanding every aspect of the market. Let me show you how we have done that. So if you see, Stockedge app is an app which is meant to empower retail investor. It is app meant to make you independent. Now, in the process of making you independent, we realized that if we don't train people, and there are a lot of training materials available on YouTube in various platforms, but really to understand the flow of market, you need to have learning at every section of Stockedge so that you are fully equipped with the learning part. Let me give you an example. First source of learning is the learn section, where actually we have developed a lot of content where you get a text as well as a relevant YouTube video, so you can actually go and watch those as someone who doesn't have any understanding of the markets, and by watching these videos you'll get a basic conceptual framework of understanding of the markets. Apart from all the learn videos, we also have a lot of free YouTube video content in our channel elearnmarkets.com and in Stockedge as well. And we also have a lot of free content developed in eLearn Markets as free courses. If you like one of those, subscribe to them, they are free. And then if you want to build onto that knowledge further from here, you can buy one of the programs as well. But from a Stockedge perspective, what are the free things available from a learning perspective? Now, if you go inside any section of Stockedge, every page has something called page info at the top. And page info is a perfect mix of learning and manual of the app. So every page will get to know what this page is all about, how to use this page, and how frequently we are updating this page. So this is not just only limited to manual. There are certain text in certain section of Stockedge app which is actually helping you to learn that particular concept. For example, in deals, if I want to know through page info what is a bulk deal, so there is a clearly definition of bulk deal which is provided by the exchange, which is also mentioned here. What do you get here in the bulk deal, and how to use a bulk deal for your decision making in the market, right? Apart from this, when you go to any specific stock, say for example, let's go to the stock, and while you are learning technical, say you want to know what this complex terms mean. So there is something called I, which we have given to you at every section of Stockedge, where you get the text literature related to that concept and application of that concept in the market. And there is a short video of 4 to 5 minutes which will give you an indication of what exactly this concept is and how you can use this concept to apply in the market. So it's not necessary that you will have to buy a course to understand the market. Even if you use Stockedge app prudently and deeply and spend at least half an hour to 45 minutes in the app and kind of use necessary sections which will help you to learn that section also, I think you will be able to kind of apply your learning through this beautiful tool and see how your learning is getting implemented in the market also through your data and analytics, which is quite exhaustively provided in this tool. So let's give you an example of ratio. So in return on equity, you want to know what return on equity is, just press I and you see what return on equity is. So there is quite a fair bit of work which has been done in empowering you in terms of learning from the app itself. So do download the app, go through all the learning piece. You don't have to really go anywhere else. A lot of things has been given to you. And in case you have any feedback, anything you want follow on from us, please do connect with us. We'll definitely add more learnings in future. Thank you.